Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance US, step by step. First, create your account using a valid email and a strong, unique password. Next, complete the identity verification process by submitting the required personal information and documents. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your new account. This ensures your funds are protected. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can link a bank account or a debit card to easily deposit US dollars. Choose your preferred deposit method and enter the amount you wish to add. Always double-check the transaction details before confirming. Funds typically appear in your wallet within a few business days, depending on your bank.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, just like you're making smart financial choices, smart meal prep can save you time and money. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's buy some USD. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance US platform. Select USD as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and input the exact amount you desire. The platform will show you the current price and any associated fees. Carefully review all order details, then confirm your purchase to acquire your USD. After confirming your purchase, check your spot wallet to ensure the USD has been successfully credited. Transaction times can vary slightly, sometimes taking a few minutes depending on network activity. It's a good practice to set up price alerts to monitor your USD value. This helps you stay informed about market movements and potential opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.